Hello, everybody, and welcome to week 3 of distance learning. I know it's so exciting and it's so great. So today, I just want to go over with you real quickly kind of what you have going on this week, what you need to be working on, and go over some nitty-gritty details for you about how I would like you to be turning some stuff in. So here we are. I'm in Student View on Canvas. I'm looking at the cover page. I go to Modules and I'm going to look at the tasks for the week. So this is drafting week. So what you guys need to be doing, like I said to you in the meeting last week, if you were able to attend, is we're doing this differently because this is a longer paper and because we're not in class together. So instead of submitting a complete draft, you're going to draft in phases, and um, you should have already today you should have submitted and turned in your kind of rough outline. So right now you're watching the video, um, and you're going to work on your draft. So let's talk about that. So today you're working on your draft after watching this video. Tuesday draft, Wednesday draft, Thursday draft, Friday. This is what I want you guys to turn in. I want you to turn in the first part of your essay, which is going to be the intro and explanation of the problem. When I introduced this paper before spring break, I said that this section should probably take up about 3 pages. It should probably take about 2 to 3 pages and be the first half of your essay. You really explaining the problem in great detail and really trying to convince your audience that this problem is a problem for everyone, or at least explaining to your audience why they should care about this problem. So what you're going to do is you're going to spend your week drafting, and when you are done, when you are back on the modules page and you're ready to turn in, this is what I would like you to do. So you'll submit, as it takes forever to load. You'll go to submit the assignment. Down here, you'll figure out where you're going to turn it in. You're going to select from your Google Drive. I'm just going to choose a random file from my drive to submit, just so I can show you guys what to do. So let's just go with, okay, here. We'll go with that. Attach. Again, this is just some random file. And there. Now, in the comments box that is going to pop up with that, this is where I want you to submit any questions or anything specific that you want me to look at and discuss with you or comment on. All right. I'm not going to be able to conference with you guys one-on-one. I will plan on posting some open meetings for you guys where if you and a friend or you and a buddy want to come on at the same time and ask me questions, that's great. It's just that they really don't want us being in Canvas alone. I'm going to try and get another teacher to just be in on the session with me, and you can pop in and I can conference with you and talk to you guys then. But otherwise, just type any questions and concerns or anything you want me to look at and give you specific feedback on in the comments section, and then I'll reply to that comment when I'm looking over these assignments. All right. So that is generally what I would like you guys to do this week. If you have any questions, of course, do not forget, you can email me. I'm really good about making sure I'm getting back to you. And I hope you're all staying healthy and happy. I will get back to you. I'm thinking day that I'll have open office hours where I'll just be online for an hour for specifically College Comp is going to be on Thursday. And since according to the survey, you guys all preferred 1 and 2 o'clock, I will go ahead and just say Thursday between the hours of 1 and 2, I will be sitting at my computer with a Zoom chat session open, ready to answer any of your questions. All right. So thank you guys very much and have a great break.